Good morning, all my student friends. Today I discuss here molecular orbital diagram of I3 minus ion, that is triiodide ions. You know that the triiodide ion is electron rich ion. Under this heading, we discuss here electronic configuration of the iodine, total number of the valence electron present in triiodide ion, then hybridization of the iodine in triiodide ion, then structure of triiodide ion and molecular orbital diagram of the I3 minus ion. Let's go to the electronic configuration of the iodine. You know that atomic number of the iodine is a 53. If you write the electronic configuration of the iodine, then it is a krypton 4d10 4s2 5p5. Then total number of the valence electron present in each iodine atom is a 7. Then total number of the valence electrons present in triiodide ion is 7 electrons from each iodine atom into 3, because 3 iodine atoms are present in triiodide ion. Therefore, total number of the electron, that is a 21, and 1 electron is present is the extra, that is a minus charge, that becomes that is a 1. Total number of the valence electron present in triiodide ion is equal to 22. Then let's go to the hybridization of the iodine. Electronic configuration of the iodine is, that is the krypton 4d10 5s2 5p5. Then how many electrons are present in valence shell? That becomes equal to 7. Then central atom of the that triiodide ion, this central atom is sp3 dehybridized. Then you know that here one 5s atomic orbital is combined with 3 5p atomic orbital and 1d atomic orbital to form, that is a 5sp3d hybrid orbitals. Then that 5sp3d orbitals are formed. Out of that, 2 sp3d orbitals are combined with 2 pz atomic orbitals of the 2 iodine atom to form, that is sigma bonds, and remaining sp3d hybrid orbitals of the central iodine atom always contain, that is a lone pair of the electrons, and that's shown in the structure of the triiodide ions. You know that 5 sp3 hybrid sp3d hybrid orbitals are elongated in space, are oriented in space in a such way that is maximum, that is the space, and minimum repulsion between the electron present in that hybrid orbitals. Then that forms trigonal bipyramidal structure. Then the axial, yes, and that is the one lobe is above the plane and one lobe of the another sp3 hybrid orbitals are below the plane, and you see that forms, that is the linear structure, because here lone pair of the electrons are present at the apex position of the triangles or each corner of the triangle, and the one sp3 hybrid orbital of the sp3d hybrid orbital of the iodine, central iodine, is combined with one, that is the is 5p atomic orbital of the one iodine atom, and similarly that is another iodine, and therefore that forms a linear structure according to the valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. And if you go by considering this structure, if you want to draw, that is the molecular orbital diagrams, Then here molecular orbital diagrams are considered by considering atomic orbitals of iodine. Here you know that there are two groups of the iodine atom present in triiodide ions. One group, that is a bridging iodine atom, and another group is a terminal iodine atom. Then here this is the atomic orbitals from the terminal iodine, and these atomic orbitals from the bridging iodine atom. Then you know that two terminal iodine atoms are present. Therefore, how many, that is the 5s atomic orbitals are come, or the combination, that is a 2. Therefore, that is a 2 5s atomic orbital. And for the terminal, from the bridging iodine, that is a one bridging iodine. Therefore, that is a 1 5s atomic orbital. That will be combined to form s, that is a 3 molecular orbitals, that is a these 3 molecular orbitals. Then go to the, that is the combination of the 5p atomic orbital of the terminal iodine atoms and bridging iodine atom. Here 3p atomic orbitals are come from each iodine atom. How many, that is the iodine atom terminal iodine is 2. Total becomes 6 5p atomic orbitals are present. You count it, then this becomes a 6. And here 3p atomic orbitals, 3 5p ध्यान पे रखने का, 3 means how many p atomic orbitals are present in p cell? 3, and therefore 3 p atomic or 5p atomic orbitals from the iodine atom, that will be combined to form, that is the molecular orbitals. Then you see one of the 5p atomic orbital from, that is the terminal iodine atom, is combined with one of the 5p atomic orbital of the bridging iodine atom to form two molecular orbital. One is the bonding molecular orbital and another is the anti-bonding molecular orbital, that is the sigma and sigma star. Then next, another p atomic orbital from the terminal is a combined with, that is one of the 5p atomic orbital of the bridging iodine. Then that forms another, that is the bonding molecular orbitals, that is the sigma 1. Then you see remaining here, that is a 4 5p atomic orbital of the two terminal iodine atoms, and here 1 p atomic orbital of the bridging hydrogen atom, that is a forms, that is a non-bonding molecular orbitals, that always equal 4 plus here, that is a 1 5. Then that forms, that is a 5 is 5 molecular orbitals. You see this is 2 2 and 1 from this, is total becomes, that is the 6 non-bonding molecular orbitals. Then you see these are the 2 1 and these are the 4 6. Then how many electrons are present? The valence electrons are present in triiodide ion, that is the is 22. If you fill up the electron according to the above principle in a molecular orbitals, then you see here, that is lowest energy molecular orbitals that fill up the first. Each molecular orbital contain, that is the 2 electrons, therefore 6 electrons are here. Then 2 electrons are here. Then you see this is the bonding molecular orbital, and all these are the anti-bonding molecular orbital. This becomes 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 2. That becomes, this is the 6 2 2s are, that is a 12 electrons, and this is the 2 electron. Then you see 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, that is 10, 10 plus 12, that becomes equal to 22 electrons. Total 22 electrons are here. Yes, this is the molecular orbital diagram of the triiodide ion by considering here atomic orbitals of the bridging iodine atom, and that is the two terminal iodine atoms. Thank you for watching this video. If you like that video, uh, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon